Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum.
Good day, good life. In today's show, Fast, Smart, and Fluent English, we'll be further looking at the different aspects of English language. So let's come with me so that we start today's show. So we welcome you, and today's Fluent, Fast, and Smart English program will be just kicking off in a different way. Let's see today's program and let's proceed. What has teeth but can't bite you? Think. Think deeply. What has teeth but can't bite you? Okay, we are looking at the answer by the end of the show. Let's proceed further. Today's smart expression is fond of, which means having a liking or love for someone or something. An example is, I'm fond of skydiving. Second is doing something a lot. For example, she is fond of asking smart questions. Let's see further. The structure would be, we use subject, and after subject we use fond of. Then we have the fourth form of the verb, which is also known as present participle, which I have covered in some other shows as well. Then we have an object. This is the basic structure of fond of with the verb. The examples to the structure are Tom, that is a noun. In place of noun, we can use pronouns like he, she, and it, as you can see here. With noun, we use either is for present and was for past. Tom is fond of music, or we can say Tom is fond of eating chocolate. The sentence can end at eating, fond of eating. But the question remains that he is fond of eating what? So it needs an object. So Tom is fond of eating chocolate. Same case, we can use she is fond of swimming. In the second block, we have we, you, they. We can either use helping verbs are or were with them. The sentences can be, we are fond of music. We are fond of horse riding. They are fond of horse riding. So these are few of the examples. And to just give a little twist to our show, today I have introduced a tongue twister, and the tongue twister is 6 silly sisters selling shiny shoes. So let's say it fast. 6 silly sisters selling shiny shoes. 6 silly sisters selling shiny shoes. 6 silly sisters selling shiny shoes. You try, just give it a try and tell me in the comments, were you successful or not? And what about the riddle? Did we solve it? Okay, let's see. Yes, what was today's riddle? What has teeth but can't bite you? Did you find it what it was? Okay, if you have found it, tell me in the comment section. And if you didn't, here's the answer for you. Yes, it is a comb. It is a comb. The B is silent. The B is silent. We don't call it comb. We don't call it comb. We call it comb. A comb. So that's all today's show for Fluent, Fast, and Smart English. I hope you would have liked it. So don't forget to subscribe, okay? Don't forget to subscribe. So rise and shine. Be happy in your life and keep learning. Be smart. Be happy.